video, I'm going to be showing you a very quick method on how to remove the background of an image, just like the one you are seeing in my Photoshop. This is my Photoshop, this is my Canva. I've already imported the image. Just in case you don't know how to import image, you can just put it in the comments, so you let me know. If many persons are in need of it, then I'll make a video on it. Okay, so without further ado, let's just go into today's tutorial. I'm going to show you a fastest method of just removing the background of this image, because on your flyer design or any designs you are doing, you don't want to use this background of this image. You just want the image alone. So what do? After importing the image into Photoshop, just like I've already done, so the next thing you just do, there are many ways to remove it, but the method I'm going to teach you now is going to be the fastest you have ever seen. So after importing it, the next thing you just do, you go to, now there are two toolbars on your Photoshop, these vertical ones and then the horizontal ones. So it is this horizontal ones you see, file, edit, image. You just come to select. Come to select, you see a lot of drop downs. The one you want to select is subject, and once you do that, it will highlight the edges of Photoshop. Will highlight the edges of the video for you, and once it's done, you are going to see Photoshop will help you highlight all the parts that will be visible. So this highlighted portion simply means these are the portions that will be extracted for you, and then the background will be taken off. Okay, so once it's done like this, the next thing you want to do is to just hit your Control key and then press Control J. So when you do that, it's going to duplicate the layer. You can see now that it has duplicated the layers. So the top one is the new one, is the new layer that the Photoshop has already removed the background for you, while the down one is the previous original image. So if you off the previous one, you can see that you have your image that has been removed, or that the background has already been removed. Very simple, right? That's how simple it is, and that's what we do here. I make those challenges, I bring them in a simple way that you can understand. So just in case you have learned anything on this channel, make sure you subscribe, you like, and you share to others so that they can get to see what we do. Alright, if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section, and if you have any requests of any video you think you would like me to do in the near future for you, also drop it in the comment section. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.